How to fix a leaking faucet. You're gonna need needle nose pliers, a screwdriver. You're gonna need one of these hexagonal bits that fit into set screws, plumber's pliers, and a faucet repair kit, finds at Lowe's, and a new handle. So this thing, there are two problems. Like the first is the handle is just very wobbly, and I've tried to like tighten that set screw that's like in there, but it doesn't tighten it, even if, no matter how hard I tighten the set screw in there. So it just continues to wobble. So that's what this is for. And also you can see like water around the top here. Like it's not an active leak, but when I open it, it'll, you know, I'm kind of pushing it just to show y'all that like it's, you know, it is kind of leaking out on the sides like that. Yeah, so to fix that leak, that's what this repair kit is for. So let's get to it. First, come down here and turn off the water supply, the hot and the cold valves. Now we've got our hexagonal bit, and we're gonna stick it in the set screw in there. That's where the set screw is right there, and this bit just fits in there and unscrews it. And that's this handle fits on like this kind of semicircular piece with a flat edge, like right there on top. Now our plumber's pliers, gonna widen them, and unscrew this top piece. So this, not all faucets, in fact I think very few faucets are like this, where they have like this little ball piece with the holes in it. And this is kind of like a shower cartridge, like where like those little rubber pieces, the little rubber booties with the springs, they have to be replaced. Kind of like that shower cartridge over there that I have to replace next, but I've already made a video for that. So take your needle nose pliers, and you're going to take those out. So now we're going to replace this is actually two pieces. Like it's kind of like this triangular top plastic piece that has like something of a point like right there. So we're gonna replace that, and then also this rubber piece here. So that's what these are. Like we're not gonna use this because it's not like a straight back and forth piece. This repair kit came with like the rubber booties and the small springs. So we're not going to use like the big O-ring or the big springs in this repair. So I'm just going to put the springs in the booties like so, and then drop them in there. Like so. All right, they're in there. Now, take these two pieces, and the black piece goes on the bottom, and this plastic piece goes on top. So we're gonna put that over this little metal ball with the rod. And so this strip here, like kind of this long thin strip, this is gonna go in like this little needle, this tiny little like piece of metal poking out here. That's what this piece fits into. It fits in right here. So we're gonna put it in like so. That's the only way it'll fit in. Otherwise, you're not gonna get it. You're not gonna get it in there. Now you kind of gotta like be a little forceful and like push this down. Like take your plumber's pliers if you need to, and just hit down on it. Because like this plastic piece in the side, it fits in the side of the cartridge. It fits in the side of it right here, like so. So it can be a little tough, but so like when we screw this piece back on, like we're gonna push down on this piece while screwing it in. I'm gonna push down on the plastic piece with our hexagonal bit, and at the same time I'm gonna spin this metal cap, because otherwise the whole thing will spin and you don't want that. There. Now we can tighten it the rest of the way with our plumber's pliers. Now we have our new metal handle, and the set screw is like the same size and function. It just goes in there like so. See, so put that on top. See, and that's much better. That's not jiggling around or anything. Turn the water back on. See, that's much better. It doesn't jiggle or anything, and this is just like the old water from the leak before, but we fixed the leak. So that's a wrap. Like and subscribe.